In Skip to My Lou, we will be playing onto C position, both hands. There's one additional thing to look at. If you look on the top of the music, you're gonna see a new note. So there's a middle C, which is not new, but right next to that, you can see there's a new note called B. It's right underneath the middle C line. It's this B right here, next to middle C. That is actually not new because you've seen the left-hand version of how it's written. It's only written like this because in this song, we're gonna play this B with the right hand. Normally it's played with the left hand, but in here, we're gonna learn how to play it with the right hand. So watch my hands closely. Stretch my thumb to B. So let's put a close-up onto my right hand. I'm going to start with 3 on E. Watch how I'm playing this. Stretch my thumb to B. Back to middle C. And the left hand, let's place our hand on the bass C and G. We're going to play a fifth. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, chord 5, 7. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.